Good morning, student. Welcome to the class. I am going to teach you chapter 5, Respiratory System. Dear children, respiration is a chemical reaction that happens in all living cells, including plant cells and animal cells. It is the way that energy is released from glucose so that all the other chemical processes needed for life can happen. So we can say respiration is the process of releasing energy by breaking down of food for life activities. Or you can say respiration is a metabolic process that occurs in all organisms. In this process, the energy, that is ATP, adenosine triphosphate, is produced by the breakdown of glucose. The food which we eat is turned into glucose, which is further used by the cells to perform the various functions of every living species, from a single celled organisms to a multicellular organisms perform respiration. Respiration are having stages. So, the topic is stages of respiration. Process of respiration take place in two stages. First one is external respiration, and second one is internal respiration. External respiration is also known as breathing. External respiration is the formal term for gas exchange. It describes both flow of air into and out of the lungs and the transfer of oxygen and carbon dioxide into the blood streams through diffusion. Diffusion means spread out, means carbon dioxide and oxygen is mixed into the blood. It occurs in the lungs where oxygen spread out or diffuses into the blood and carbon dioxide diffuses into alveolar air. The process of breathing is called inhalation, while breathing out is known as exhalation. Dear children, every 3 to 5 seconds, nerve impulse stimulates the breathing process or ventilations, which moves air through a series of passages into and out of the lungs. After this, there is an exchange of gases between the lungs and the blood take place. This is called external respiration. Most animals use specialized organs or organ systems such as lung, trachea or gills. Second one is internal respiration. Internal respiration or cellular respiration. Internal respiration is meaning the exchange of gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide between the cells of the body and the blood by way of fluid bathing the cells. So the difference between the external respiration respiration. In internal respiration, gas exchange across the respiratory membrane in the metabolism tissue, whereas external respirations refer to the gas exchange occurs the respiratory membranes of lungs. Cellular respiration is a set of metabolic reactions and processes that take place in the cells of organisms to convert chemical energy from oxygen molecules or nutrient in ATP. ATP is the energy and then release waste products. In simple words, you can say that cellular respiration is what cells do to break up sugars to get energy. They can use cellular respiration, takes in food and uses it to create energy in the form of ATP, a chemical which the cells uses for energy. Now the reaction is C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives you 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy C6H12O6, which we consume from the food, that is glucose and oxygen, gives you carbon dioxide plus water plus energy, that is 38 ATP. ATP is adenosine triphosphate. The food we eat, glucose is the food we eat, is changed and converted into glucose. Oxygen, which we inhale by inhalation process. So when food react with oxygen which we inhale and of the food which we have stored in the form of glucose both are react together, then carbon dioxide is released with water and energy. Glucose react with oxygen by oxidation process and releases carbon dioxide and water and releases lots of energy which we use in the other work. As in previous class, I have told you about the enzymes. What are enzymes? Enzymes are the protein molecules which help in digestion and act as a catalyst. Catalysts which are involved in the process but do not dissolve. So these enzymes help in digestion. So they control the reactions. Energy releases is in the form of ATP. So you can say the process of reaction, cellular reaction or internal respiration, involves the breakdown of food material, that is glucose, to ATP molecules or carbon dioxide and water in the presence of oxygen. Thank you, students. I hope you have well understand about the stages of respiration. In the next class, I am going to explain you about the types of respiration.